Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Garrett and this is Nicole here at EFC Financial. We've been talking about budgeting, and one important part of the whole budgeting conversation is savings. It's something some of us may forget to do. Maybe some of us are doing it, but wherever you find yourself, it's important not to forget to save, right? So I wanted to bring Nicole in just to talk a little bit about the importance of savings, how we can maybe even begin as you consider building your own budget. So Nicole, talk to us a little bit about savings. What do you think we should be looking at?
Well, savings is definitely a very important part that should be in everybody's budget. There are several devices out there that you can use when trying to save money, even on the tightest of budgets. The most important one to me is setting up automatic transfers or automatic savings. So what I would recommend is opening up a savings account, setting up a reasonable amount of money to transfer from that checking to the savings every month. That way you know for sure you have money going into a savings fund. From there, you could also look at maybe a possibility of reaching out to your payroll provider or your employer to see if they have an option where you can specify a certain dollar amount that can be transferred into your savings account. And where it typically will all go to a checking, sometimes they'll allow you to pick a secondary account to have some funds set to. Regardless, whatever you decide to do, the main important part that I want you to focus on is that it should be automatic, it should be a reasonable amount, and it should happen every month. And then from there, you know for sure you'll have a savings account built up.
All right, I think those are some great tips, and I'm going to sum it up and put it in my own way of speaking and say, just do it, right? That's the important part. It's just to find that starting point. And Nicole, you gave us some great considerations on how to get it started. So thank you, and thank all of you for tuning in. Stay with us as we continue this conversation.